thank you for joining us for this room reveal. My name is Tenaj Nicole.
And I'm your girl Astrid.
And today, guys, we are inspired. We are inspired by one of our favorite artists, Miss Lizzo. And we'll put a little picture up here so y'all know who we talking about. So, that's Lizzo, and she's fabulous. We love her, and we are loving her makeup looks lately.
Yeah, her makeup artist is slaying it.
It's crazy. And so we thought, how fun would it be to just try one of the looks?
Recreate one of her banging looks. When she performed at the VMAs, she had this amazing yellow bodysuit, and then her makeup matched. Like her eyeshadow was on in yellow. So I just thought, how cool would it be if we attempted
to do it? And so we got our yellow on.
Do her justice.
Yes. And you know, we're gonna Lizzo it out. So we're gonna put the picture up. That's our inspiration. Okay. And so you guys can see that.
Good. And then we have it right here in front of us. So
we have it in front of us.
Mix it up.
Yeah. And so we'll do one eye and then snap into the full look when we're all done.
Yeah.
So in preparation for this, we got everything that has a good yellow in it. We thought that we
pretty much all our palettes that have some type of yellow that's matte, we have in front of us. If you can kind of just have the Alyssa Edwards palette, because she has a really good yellow in there. You've got the ColourPop.
Yep.
And then you might use this one.
Yes, I might use that one for some shimmer in there.
She just loves this palette.
I love that palette. I use it almost every time. And then you know.
Oh yeah. And then sorry, of course, the OG, the rainbow palette. The James Charles palette. All right. Anyways.
Okay.
So let's go.
Well, I think we're all prepped. We have all our foundation, and everything else. So we're just gonna get right into it.
And I'm gonna keep it matte face wise, because I noticed it was very matte in her shots. So.
Same.
She just wanted her eyes to really sparkle and pop out, which I admire.
No, I love that performance. She did great.
She did really good. That floating booty on the stage, that was everything. I was like, is that a butt? And she's leave it up to her to have a floating butt.
Yeah, I love how extra she is. Unapologetically extra.
Get it out, girl. You got it.
Mm-hmm. I know. I've been struggling this week.
Girl.
I've been struggling this week a lot about saying full words and sentences.
But she did really good though. Really, really good. She has this, I don't know, like I feel like she was made for performing. She really was.
Do you know her story about how she was a concert flute?
Yes. Actually, I was pulling up and watching one of her videos because she was on YouTube. And because when she took out that flute in the middle of the performance at the VMAs, I was like, what is that even? That's new. Oh yeah. And I like it. So I'm just creating some little bit transition before I go in with the yellow.
Oh well, I'm attacking.
You're just going straight on? Okay.
I'm going straight in. So I'm actually using the ColourPop Sweet Spot right here from the Honey palette, which is actually, this is my first time in it.
Really?
Yeah, this is my first time in this. Every time I've used yellow, it's been from a different palette.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
So based on the look itself, it looks like they didn't do a normal like shadow look. They just kind of went further out.
Like a full wing out. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a wave. And then it stopped right there at a point. And then she has a whole bunch of like little crystals?
Yeah, I guess.
Jewels, maybe?
Yeah.
Costume jewels on her eyes, which are beautiful. So her makeup artist.
Oh.
Whoever that is.
I know. She need to keep him for a while.
I honestly love every look that he's come out with, so props to you. And we'll leave his information in the description box, but I've subscribed to his Instagram account just to help my soul a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start like you.
Packing on the lid. I'm just making it as yellow as possible. And it also looks matte in that picture. So
it's very matte, yeah.
I don't, I am going to use some sparkle just because
of course you are.
It's me. But yeah, I just want to get as much color on here as possible. And what I used to prep this with was the Painterly paint pot. Now, I normally would say absolutely use the NYX if you're with deeper skin tone for putting on yellow, which is what I typically do. But the reason why I went on with the Painterly paint pot with this one is because this went further out. I have prepped my eyes all the way out to that wing that she has in that picture.
Okay, so you're going in with the ColourPop. I'm going in with the Rainbow palette, James Charles palette, sorry. And I'm using that yellow right there.
Yeah, I'm still using Sweet Spot. I am just packing this color on. Great. I imagine there is some dimension. We can't really see it that well from the photo.
Yeah, I only have like a side angle of what it looks like, so.
Yeah, I imagine there's some dimension, but for the most part, it's
straight up yellow.
Straight up yellow.
Like if you go yellow, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
We're trying to be fancy and add some orange and other stuff. No, that's for you.
I know. That's why I got the monochromatic palette, so I behave. That's why I did it.
Cause she'd be like, ooh, it's yellow. Ooh, purple's a complementary color. No, that's not what we're doing. Do not ruin.
You're not my real dad, okay? So like, stop.
Dang, you got me before I could shade you. I would have gotten away with it too. I've not been seeing meddling kid. Now I'm looking at the pictures. If I'm looking down a lot, it's because I didn't come prepared for class. So that's the picture I'm looking at right now. Don't mind my phone, I broke it. So, okay.
Yeah, and it looks like she's also taking the yellow past this line, which is what I am going to be kind of sketching out. Still using that same color Sweet Spot, but this is with a wet brush. Sweet Spot's right there. It just looks like giant
I'm sorry, I had a moment. I thought I broke this chair. You heard the pop? I was like...
I did hear the pop.
I did not eat that many donuts this morning. Stop. Don't be acting like I gained weight like that. There's nothing wrong by gaining weight. I'm just like, don't try my life when I know I didn't.
Right.
That bad today.
Actually, I'm kind of confused. I don't know what to do next. I know I need to deepen this.
Okay.
Because I can't just leave it, you know, this powdery yellow.
Of course you can.
Yeah, because I'm a bit of a psychopath. So I think I'm actually gonna make mine a little bit
on camera.
Psychopath was the wrong word. It's a word that came out naturally, but I didn't mean it.
Girl, I love how this is coming. I was about to get really mad because I was like, why can I see yours more? And then I was like, we don't have the same thing. Took me a moment. My brain was like functioning. I was like, wait. Why does yours look more vibrant? And I'm like, oh, because this is really close to my skin.
It is. It is.
We'll see how this works out. I saw other beauty gurus trying this out. And there's a couple of Caucasian women that tried it.
Did it have the same power?
No. Well, no, not really.
I mean,
it's still gorgeous. It just wasn't like, oh no.
Right. And that's the same thing like if I were to do this on someone who was chocolate, it would be like...
Oh my gosh. That would be gorgeous.
I always felt that anything jewel toned on a deeper skin tone is
beautiful.
Beautiful. But
like Neva Tang, oh my god, her skin color
yes.
is beautiful. Probably gonna look like not the way I thought it was gonna look like.
That's the cool part though, you guys. We don't plan these out like that.
No, we don't.
It is way more vibrant on top of the white. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you needed the white.
That's alright, we're gonna continue with this one. Clearly. And I'm just patting on right now because that base is very sticky.
It is sticky.
So I don't want to glide just yet. Hey, look, I feel like I'm actually part of the group now. So lesson learned.
Yes. If the color
that looks like me, probably didn't put a base down.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna switch over to looking this side. So people can actually see what it is.
And again, I am just layering and layering this yellow. Still with Oh Behave on the ColourPop palette layering and patting it. And like I said, the longer it sits, the more vibrant it gets. I think the hardest part of this is figuring out the shape that works for your eye. Wow, that is yellow.
Isn't that crazy?
It's very yellow.
Alright, so there's a tip for everyone that looks like me, skin tone wise. If you decide to do a daring look like this, or any yellow really.
Yeah, get a base.
Get a base that's white. It'll pop more.
Okay, so actually I think I'm done with the yellow part of the look, the yellow base. It looks pretty smooth for me. There will be some like touch up along the way, but I think this is pretty much how I want it to look. And so now yep. So I'm gonna actually use a pencil, a black pencil, because she has a bit of an underline in her waterline.
She does, yeah.
And so I'm gonna do that and kind of carve out just my my lash line and my waterline and get the black in there.
I will say the one thing I do not like about the NYX base is it's a little patchy.
I know.
It's a little
I
patchy.
know.
Like,
I know
I can tell color payoff wise it looks a lot better, but in person the paint really being pot looks a lot smoother.
That's why I've been leaning towards the paint pot actually. Of how smooth it is and how easily it transitions from or as a base to blending into a concealer.
Yeah, I can definitely tell a difference. Look at my two eyes.
Oh my gosh. They're it's the same yellow.
Oh my gosh, that's so sad.
It's the same yellow.
You could barely see anything on here.
Yeah.
Well, in person, of course you can, but...
Yeah, no. Like it's the
camera,
same.
I can tell it's just like...
It's the same yellow. Like you didn't choose a different palette.
Nope, same yellow.
That is the power of a base, you guys. So yeah,
It's very simple.
It's a very... Yes, this was it.
Very yellow and then added some jewels and maybe a little
liner. And
I mean, definitely lashes will like...
Yeah, that'll make all the difference. And then, maybe a little shimmer here and there. But I think this is the basis of it.
I do too. I might do a little liner like right there because that's what I can kind of see from the shot.
From the shot.
It's not the greatest because it's like a weird side angle, but yeah. Let's go ahead and do that and then we'll come back.
Okay.
Into the film.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. Now I know this wasn't what we started out with 3 seconds ago.
This is a look.
It is totally a look.
You could totally go to Kroger right now and just go grocery shopping and nobody would look at me twice. Okay.
I know, right? It's so avant-garde and simple. Like the more we builded it. Why can't I talk?
Get yourself together.
I don't know what's going on.
Ready? Okay.
Okay.
She was a cheerleader, that's why I did that. Get yourself together. Spirit fingers.
Spirit fingers. Girl, you gotta move your whole hand. It's a thing. All right, I'll teach you later. It's all right. That wasn't it. Those are spirit wrists. But anyways. No, and this actually closely reminds me of like competition makeup.
Really?
Actually, yeah.
This is a lot. I mean,
it is.
This is like,
yeah.
Wow. Yeah. You
Yeah,
definitely did that. I mean, it's very beautiful.
It is. It's very aesthetically pleasing.
Just thinking like where I would. Where I really couldn't wear it anywhere unless I'm performing.
Yeah. I mean, this is performance makeup. This is what she wore to the VMAs to match her sparkling yellow outfit. So, but this is just really cool. I think it has like
it's giving me like Halloween.
Yeah,
ideas.
It is.
So what we did was we went to the Dollar Tree and they have these little
those little adhesive
sticker dots. And we literally just used the yellow ones, the smallest ones, around our eyes. And then I didn't have smaller than that, so I had to improvise, which you do
glitter.
Makeup. And I used my Pixie, what's this called? It's like glitter or something. I really should know the name of this because they do it all the time. Liquid Fairy Lights.
Oh, I use this. This came from the beauty supply. This is Nika K. Oh, this is that same brand that we love.
Brand.
Okay, so this is a brand that we kind of just started diving into. Is Nika K. And we are in love with the lipsticks. I would say that is very much a dupe for MAC. Just putting that out there. Totally a dupe for MAC.
Actually, yeah, you're right.
And then this is the Natural Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow, and that's what I just press as dots into the corner here. And I also I
was gonna say, are you gonna tell that you use that one shade?
I used upside down.
Yeah.
The Honey, and went in deep.
It's a really beautiful color.
With this Palooza. Yeah, and that's what all this is.
Definitely play with that a lot.
Yeah, we dug into that today. Yeah.
What that looks like.
Now that one actually you do need to be careful with because that's the one I gave the advisory because the glitter in it is pretty chunky, which I agree with. And I actually was kind of scared using it on the inner corner of my eye, but I love glitter and I'm kind of prepared to get that. It's just so pretty I couldn't not use it.
Oh my gosh.
So that's what's on the inner corner here, and I also used it to line out the wing.
Oh yeah, I see that now. Okay, yeah.
So yeah,
that's really good. I really like this. I think what really finished it off and kind of brought it together for me was the lashes.
Oh yeah.
Because I just had mascara on and I thought it looks really good. And then
the lashes.
We put on these falsies that we actually got today at the dollar store, and I was like,
these what are they called?
I'm ready to.
These are called Look-See lashes. They're lightweight and they have a good bend, and I mean, literally $1. So if you see it,
yeah,
I wouldn't say not get it.
The 101.
Yeah, it came with its own glue. We didn't use it. We used the glue that we.
I never use the glue that it comes with, so yeah, no, it's not me. But yeah, I really like this. I definitely want to recreate more of her looks because she's got a ton that I sent you through Instagram that I just thought, oh. So yeah, hopefully you guys really did like this video as much as we
liked it. We had fun.
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'll definitely be doing this little idea kick again.
Yeah.
Shout out to Lizzo and to all her success, and I wish you nothing but the best and keep having more and more hits, girl. Because I will definitely be in my car like Anyways, so if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so already. It'll be down in the description bar. Everything that we used today will also be in there. And then just make sure you give it a like if you did like this video. And just hit that notification bell. That way, anytime that we come up with more of these looks or anything else, that we'll be able to, you know, just get in contact with you. Comment below. Let us know what you do and what you think. Any more ideas that you suggest and things like that.
Yes, and also follow us on Instagram. That's at Rimel, RUMORMEAL. This is, you can see it looks like this. I mean, that's where we got our inspiration from. If you guys have any ideas, just chat with us. You get to talk to us directly there. So we'd love to see you there.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys on the next one.
Bye.